Hello, my name is Sean from the Global Life Settlement Exchange. We are the world's first free life settlement auction marketplace. Today I am going to talk about how to use a life settlement to plan for retirement or long-term care. As people approach retirement age, they begin to think more about how they will fund their retirement and long-term care. One option that many people overlook is a life settlement. A life settlement is the sale of an existing life insurance policy to a third party for a lump sum of cash. The purchaser of the policy then takes over the premium payments and becomes the beneficiary of the policy upon the policyholder's death. In this video, we'll explore several specific ways to use a life settlement to plan for retirement or long-term care. First, create a long-term care fund. Long-term care can be expensive and traditional insurance policies may not cover all of the costs associated with care. By using a life settlement to create a long-term care fund, you can ensure that you have the financial resources needed to cover these costs. This can provide peace of mind and help you maintain your quality of life as you age. Pay off debts. Many people enter retirement with debt, including mortgages, credit cards, and other loans. By using a life settlement to pay off debts, you can reduce your financial burden and enjoy a more comfortable retirement. This can also help you avoid high interest payments and other fees associated with debt. Fund travel or hobbies. Retirement is a great time to explore new hobbies, travel, and enjoy life. By using a life settlement to fund these activities, you can enjoy your retirement to the fullest. This can also help you maintain your physical and mental health, which is essential as you age. Next, invest in real estate. Real estate can be a valuable investment, providing passive income and potential long-term growth. By using a life settlement to invest in real estate, you can create a steady stream of income and build wealth for the future. This can also provide a valuable asset to pass on to your heirs. Lastly, supplement retirement income. Even with savings and investments, many retirees struggle to make ends meet. By using a life settlement to supplement your retirement income, you can ensure that you have the financial resources needed to cover your living expenses. This can provide peace of mind and help you maintain your standard of living throughout your retirement years. Global Life Settlement Exchange, your trusted partner. Consider listing your policy on our free, no-obligation auction marketplace so that buyers can compete for the best deal available depending on your particular circumstances. Global Life Settlement Exchange, GLSE, is a marketplace that specializes in life settlements. We have a thorough awareness of the market and assist policyholders in selling their insurance policies for the highest price possible through a transparent auction. The first free life settlement auction marketplace in the world, Global Life Settlement Exchange charges no fees to sellers. The process is simple, and there is zero fee and obligation to the seller. You just need to provide your policy details to us, and that's all you need to do. You will receive the highest offer from the market in a few weeks or so. Unlike traditional brokers, GLSE does not charge a fee for its services. This means sellers keep more of the money from the sale of their policy, which can be a significant sum. Even if you have already hired a broker, a seller like you can still acquire a second opinion. GLSE gives the seller complete control, allowing them to select the best offer without being constrained by middlemen, brokers, obligations, or fees. The traditional process of selling a life insurance policy involves working with brokers who have access to buyers. These buyers determine the value of the policy, leaving sellers with little control. However, with GLSEs, sellers have complete control over the process. They can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, without any obligation or fee. This puts the power in the hands of the seller. Life settlement was predominantly a buyer market, where buyers determine the value of the policy. However, GLSE is shifting the balance of power to the seller. By providing an open and competitive marketplace, GLSE puts the seller in control of the process. The seller can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, ensuring that they receive the best possible value for their policy. In conclusion, Global Life Settlement Exchange is revolutionizing the life settlement market by increasing transparency and putting the power in the hands of the seller. With GLSEs, sellers can receive the highest possible offer for their policy, keep more of their money, and make an informed decision about whether to sell. Our zero-fee platform provides a no-obligation opportunity for sellers to explore their options, and the elimination of middlemen ensures that sellers receive the full value of their policy. GLSE is transforming the life settlement market, providing a fair and competitive platform for sellers to receive the value they deserve.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please hit the like and subscribe button to support us.